Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get international kits on FIFA 23. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, in FIFA's Ultimate Team mode, players can acquire international kits through packs. These packs can be earned by playing matches, completing objectives, or purchased with in-game currency. Next, in career mode, players may be able to unlock or purchase international kits for their team as they progress through the career and earn achievements. International kits are usually available in the regular kick-off mode, allowing players to use them in friendly matches against AI or friends. Now for online modes. In online modes like online seasons or online friend lists, players can select international kits when playing as national teams rather. And lastly, for catalog, some FIFA games include a catalog where players can spend EA Sports points earned by playing the game to unlock various items, including international kits. And here, I'm sorry, this is the last one, FIFA points. In some instances, players may have the option to purchase FIFA points with real money to acquire packs or items that may include international kits. Okay? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!